Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna be giving you a lot of good tips for you to properly pack your things. So in my past video, I gave you all the tips and the things that you need to bring in your hand carry and in your luggage. And for today, I'm gonna give you all the tips and the things that you need to bring that you will never think that you might be needing soon. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so number one, when you're buying a lock for your luggage, or if your luggage has a built-in lock, make sure it is a TSA approved. Why? The next tip will be for the girls is don't forget to bring hair ties. Why? Next is bring medicines. Next is if you are required or need to have eyeglasses, also bring the prescription with you, because here in the United States, you can just buy eyeglasses or you can just buy contact lens without any prescription. And I learned it in the hard way, because when I get here, I thought I can just easily buy contact lens. And I think for me, I almost spent $300. Next is always check the weight and the size of your bag. For a seamless flight, 24 hours before your flight, make sure you've confirmed the pickup time and meeting point at the airport going to your host company. Next tip is that make sure that your phone has enough charge, and if you think that you're going to be using your phone most of the time during your flight, always bring a charger or a power bank with you. Next is check in online. Next is make copies of your documents. Liquid, gels, and aerosols packed in carry-on must follow the 3-1-1 liquid rule. After you get your boarding pass and check in all your luggage, you need now to proceed to the security. So before entering the security checkpoint, always have your passport and your boarding pass ready. Next is wear a removable shoes on the day of your flight. The most important thing is arrive at the airport early. Give yourself at least 2 or 3 hours time before your flight, because the number one thing that you don't want to happen during the day of your flight is to miss your flight, and you yourself know how much the ticket will cost you to buy another one. So always make sure to arrive early, and make sure to click the notification bell, because on my next video I'm gonna be teaching you the step-by-step process the moment that you arrive at the airport, and the things that you need to do until you arrive at the United States. And if you're interested, I made also a lot of videos about J1, so just click it here down below. And that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.